This video is brought to you by Design Crowd. Get the perfect custom design every time with the world's #1 custom design marketplace. Guys, I've used Design Crowd personally for some of my own t-shirt businesses, and I recommend them highly. So go down to the description box and check out Design Crowd. On to the video.
All right, guys, here we go. The top 5 alternatives to screen printing your t-shirts. All right, let's go. What's up, guys? Gary Edgenay, t-shirthelpdesk.com. And you know, screen printing has been the staple of the t-shirt industry for years, and it's not going anywhere. But for you guys starting out, for you guys who are on maybe a smaller budget, in general, there are alternatives that you can use to get into the t-shirt industry really quick. All right, so let's get into them. Heat transfers. Now this one is a little confusing because some of you guys, when a person mentions heat transfers for t-shirts, you think of those like little ones that you buy in a box and you print on an inkjet printer that you get from Walmart. You know, they're kind of like this.
Hey guys, check this out. This is one of those store-bought heat transfers. They are no good, all right? As you can see, it's cracking, it's warped, it's crazy. They are not good, okay? I'm gonna show you some things that you really need, so don't get the store-bought stuff.
Well, I'm gonna say that's not a very good idea. But if you really wanna print t-shirts at home and you wanna print and make transfers at home, what I will suggest is using laser print transfers with a special kind of paper or special white ink laser printers. All right, let me show you.
Okay guys, you have things like Forever, Flex Soft, No Cut laser paper, and you just can use a standard laser printer, and you print out the paper and then you marry it to a B sheet, heat press it, all right, peel that bad boy off, and then you get your t-shirt, all right, put it on there, you know, you add another cover sheet and print it, and before you know it, bam, you have yourself a t-shirt. I mean, it's just that simple, and you could just use a standard laser printer at home, which are not that expensive. I mean, it's amazing. Okay guys, now let's get into this Oki white ink laser printer. Okay, it prints white ink, as you can see right there on those teeth, and you simply take that and you add it over there to the heat press, and then you get your B sheet and you press that, you marry them together, and that's what makes your transfer. All right, peel that off and you have a transfer. Then you add your t-shirt to the press, put it on top, you press it, and bang, like magic, you have yourself a t-shirt. Check for that Oki white ink printer down in the description box.
And that's that. I hope you learned something. There's going to be information and links down in the description box for all of that stuff. Let's go to the next one. All right, guys, this is one that I've been talking about for years, okay? This is custom plastisol heat transfers. Now, this is a bit of cheating a little bit because in many cases these are screen printed, but you're not screen printing them. They are screen printed at facilities and they send them to you, and all you have to do is heat press those bad boys. I've done this several times, okay? You send your art, they press them up. In many cases, they'll put them in a gang print, so you can put a whole bunch of different prints on one page, cut them out, and you screen print them, and they are done, okay? Really, really great custom plastisol heat transfers. I actually have a list of places where you can get them, and that's gonna be down in the description box, all right? Let's go. The next one is really popular. A lot of people do this, all right? And it's called a vinyl cutter, all right? Vinyl cutters have been used for years. You can use them for several different things besides t-shirts, but you can use it for t-shirts, okay? So check this out.
Okay, guys, vinyl cut is simply a machine that takes vinyl and cuts it. Then once it's cut, you know, the special vinyls that you get, you have to weed it. You put it on the t-shirt and then you print it, and bang, you have a t-shirt. It's just that simple. And a great place to get vinyl and vinyl cutters is Stalls. Links are going to be down in the description box.
And that's vinyl cutters, okay? There's gonna be some links down in the description box, so if you wanna check out vinyl cutters, check them out, okay? Let's go to the next one. Now this one right here, this one is a doozy. All right, this is old school, but it's starting to pick up in popularity. It's good. I don't necessarily know it's good for doing large runs, but I know some people who do this. But if you just want to make some t-shirts, it's a great way. That is using bleach and freezer paper, okay? You can actually take freezer paper, you can print out your artwork, put the freezer paper on top, trace your artwork, and then cut out a stencil made out of freezer paper, put it on top of a t-shirt, iron it, all right, spray the bleach, and you have yourself a t-shirt, okay? I have a video coming about it in detail. It's gonna be right up here, okay? That's a card. And freezer paper and bleach. I know some of you are going to be like, what? And some of you knew about this, but yeah, you can do t-shirts like that, okay? On to the next one. All right, guys, now this is the last one, and I chose this one because this one is the closest you're gonna get to the quality of screen printing, all right? And that is a DTG printer, direct to garment printer. They are fantastic. They print as good, if not better quality in many cases than screen printing, professional. I mean, just really, really great. And it's essentially like having an inkjet printer at home that you throw t-shirts in and bang, zoom, you have prints, okay? No mess, I mean, no nothing. They are phenomenal, okay? The only thing is that they can be a little pricey. So this is not for someone who's just getting into the game. This is for people who are established, who already have sales, who already have a company established, and they want to take their company to the next level. So a direct to garment printer is fantastic, okay? I work with a company called Omniprint, so if you want to check them out, there's going to be links down in the description box, but there are all types of different DTG printers out here, so you might want to look into that if you are established or if you got long pockets, all right? So check them out, and that's it. I'm going to see you in a minute. So anyway, guys, that's all I have for you today. All right, the alternatives to screen printing, make sure you check them out. There's gonna be links down in the description box. And I'm finna put some butter on my shoes and slide on out the door. Cheers to your t-shirts. God bless. Do something good for somebody. If you don't have somebody to do something good for, do something good for yourself. Great minds talk about ideas, average minds talk about events, and small minds talk about people. God bless again, and I am out.
Guys, listen, this is Gary from T-Shirt Help Desk, and I'm working on something to start a t-shirt business or die trying master course, okay? It's like nothing you've ever seen before. You're gonna learn so much, okay? This is a multi-billion-dollar t-shirt industry, and you need to get your cut of some of that money. Okay, you're gonna learn so much stuff. You're gonna learn how to print t-shirt at home. You're gonna learn Photoshop and Illustrator. I mean, there's so much. It's just crazy. Okay, and the job market is not necessarily that good, guys. And the only real fight against a bad economy is to create an economy of your own. So do me a favor, guys. If you keep watching, if you go down in the description box, okay, there's going to be a link. I want you to go there and I want you to click on it. Start a t-shirt business or dietrying.com. Click on that link and get on the list so you're going to know when this course is coming out. Trust me, you won't be sorry.